On this channel, we have always tried to grow tomatoes in different ways, and almost all of them work great. But we keep experimenting and learning new methods to grow tomatoes in a way that they can produce a lot of fruits. In this video, we have used a different method to plant tomatoes that will make sure your plants have necessary nutrients for a long time. Let's plant tomatoes together. First, we will make big holes in our garden bed. Make them deep according to your tomato plant's stem size so we can bury half the plant in the hole. After making the holes, put an egg in each hole. Broken or spoiled eggs can be used for this purpose. Now break the eggs, crush the eggshells, and cover this with a handful of compost. After doing that, plant your tomato seedlings by burying half the plant in the hole. Add more compost while planting. There are several major benefits to using this specific combination of eggs, compost, and deep planting. Starting with the eggs, as they decompose, they act as a slow-release fertilizer that provides a steady stream of minerals directly to the root zone. More importantly, the eggshells are a fantastic source of calcium. Tomatoes are often prone to blossom end rot, which is caused by a calcium deficiency. By crushing the shells right where the roots will grow, you ensure the plant has a permanent supply of this essential mineral to keep the fruits healthy and firm. Compost works alongside the egg to create a rich, living environment for the seedling. It improves the soil structure, allowing it to hold onto moisture while still providing enough drainage to prevent root rot. Compost is packed with beneficial microbes that help break down the organic matter of the egg, making those nutrients available to the plant much faster than they would be in poor, sandy, or clay-heavy soil. It essentially creates a nutrient-dense power pocket that supports the plant through its most intensive growth phases. Planting the tomatoes deep is the final secret to a high-yield harvest. Unlike most other garden plants, tomatoes have the ability to grow roots from any part of their stem that is covered by soil. When you bury half the plant, you are forcing it to develop a massive, deep root system. A larger root system means the plant can reach deeper water reserves during hot summer days and pull in far more nutrients than a shallow planted seedling could. This extra stability leads to a much thicker stem and a plant that can support the weight of heavy fruit clusters without snapping. After doing all of this, give your plants a deep watering. This is a critical step because it settles the soil around the buried stem and removes air pockets that could dry out the new roots. It also activates the compost and begins the breakdown process of the egg. This method might seem unusual, but the science behind it is solid. By providing calcium for the fruit, microbes for the soil, and a massive root system for the plant's structure, you are setting your garden up for its most productive season yet. You will see your plants grow faster, stay greener, and produce a bounty of tomatoes that will keep your kitchen full for months. We take the time to dig these deep holes and prepare this nutrient sandwich because the initial effort pays off for the entire life of the plant. A tomato plant that starts with everything it needs in the first few inches of soil will always outperform one that has to struggle in depleted ground. This technique ensures that even during the peak of summer when the plant is working hardest to produce fruit, it still has a reserve of energy and minerals to draw from. Now that we have finished the watering, all that is left to do is watch these plants thrive. Give this method a try in your own garden bed.